Find the area of the triangle with vertices 1, 3, 4, 7, 5, 10. Please don't work with these values. -1, -3. -1, -3. If I shifted by -1, -3. 0, 0. Next is 3, 4. Next is 4, 7. Half of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. 3 7s are 21. 4 4s are 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Which of the following cannot be the area of triangle? Please write down, sir. Another interesting question. Which of the following cannot be the area of triangle with perimeter 60? Please write down this. Which of the following cannot be the area of a triangle with perimeter 60? It's a very, very good question, sir. 168. Please attend tomorrow along with the digits. I want to take some more questions in geometric centers because I want a good clarity on understanding of the concept. 174. 158. Please remember, in multiple examination, out of the 4, best one we have to choose. Perimeter is given. Which of the following cannot be the area of a triangle? Cannot be the area of a triangle. Cannot be the area of a triangle with perimeter 60. Now, listen carefully. Perimeter will be maximum. Perimeter will be maximum if the area is an equilateral triangle. Please write down. Perimeter will be the maximum when the area is an equilateral triangle. So if it is a plus b plus c equivalent to 60, 3a equivalent to 60, a equivalent to 20. So if I take the area root 3 by 4 into a square, this is the maximum area. Root 3 by 4 into 400. It is 100 into 1.732. So this is 173.2. Maximum area itself is 173.2. How can it be 174? How can it be 174? How can it be 174?
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.